Today it's a very rainy day outside and we are bouldering. Actually our kids are. Because my mama, they're trying. So here in Grindelwald they have a Sportzentrum where you can do a bunch of activities. And because we are staying at a campsite, we get this guest card that gives us free access or discounted access. So this is our first activity of the day. They're already tired. They've been here for like 20 minutes. Really? Oh, Cosimo is... You gonna stay there? Yeah.
Curse my short legs. Jump, jump, jump.
Hi guys, 5-year-old explorers. We're still here in Switzerland, Grindelwald, and we are ice skating. For me, fun. And Cosimo is falling too a little bit. He's back there. There's 2 kids who are trying to explain to him how to do it. But Emma is venturing. There she goes. Emma is kind of getting the hang of it. Ozzy's still working on it. And we have these 2 kids that have made it their mission to teach Cosimo and Emma how to ice skate. Oh, wow. Cosimo really likes to sit on the ice. This is our final round. They've improved. Whoop! Oh no, Emma! Emma is done. She's so tired. Cosimo is a little more straight. Let's see, he's gonna cross over. Da 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 da. There he goes. He's going. He might get to the end of it. Nice. Oh, no, 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 no! He fell again. Okay, here goes Emma. Okay, cross over, Emma. There she goes. Oh. Daddy.
That was Dad.
Madonna.
Oh, that was so fun. Yes, it was so cool. It was like a black hole. It was so cool.
Go, Luca.
You like it? Oh, it was so cool. Did you see all the stuff? Oh my God, this is so cool. So awesome. Oh my gosh, honey, that's so cool.
That wasn't Luca.
Wait, don't open your eyes yet.
Mommy,
Let me fall.
Don't step in your eyes. Don't open your eyes yet. Cosy, come
Your
here.
eyes.
Oh!
Happy birthday to you. See? Happy birthday. We wrote it down. To you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, I have to blow this?
Yes. Santiago.
Mama.
Wait.
Santiago.
And don't throw it. Here, mommy. And now you have this one too.
What's this?
It's a balloon with the light inside.
Wait, how's that?
Tanti auguri a te. Tanti auguri a mamma. Tanti auguri a te.
This is so cool.
This is our heart for you.
It's burning.
Supposed to be.
Are you videoing or what?
I'm videoing. I asked them about the video.
Doesn't work.
What should it do? Fireworks?
Kind of.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday.
C'è scritto deve funzionare così.
Our burnt heart.
C'è scritto di non metterlo sulla torta.
Oh, look at that! That's so cool!
Okay, we got it. Oh my gosh.
I told you funzionava.
Yeah, you were just saying it wasn't working.
That's so cool! Did you see that, Luca?
So our heart is exploding.
This is our heart for you.
Now it's exploding.
I love it!
I'm gonna get sparkles. Hide me. Go! Keep going! Oh no, it's gonna stop.
And boom, it's gonna explode. Big fireworks. That's it.
That's it. That's weird. That was.
Have a heart left.
Oh my God. Santiago. Oh, happy arte. Santiaguriate. Santiaguria mama. Santiaguriate. Santiaguri. Happy birthday. Or no. Okay, just do that.
Luca, thank you for
I was gonna say
helping
happy
me.
birthday, but okay. The birthday.
Happy birthday. Mommy, let's eat the cake.
Yeah, let's eat the cake, Luca.
Yeah. I'm gonna sing the song that I was invented because of Emma. I couldn't show it. So, 42 anni, filo per 6 grossi di 2. 42 anni, filo per 6 grossi di 2. Tanti auguri a mamma di santi. Tanti auguri a mamma di santi. 42 più 2. I'm 42 years old. 69 plus 42 equals Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, Luca!
Bravo, mommy.
Hi guys, 5 World Explorers here. Welcome to Emma's version of Switzerland, which will probably be very different from everyone else's because Emma's version. So, kind of makes sense. Okay. So Switzerland costs a lot. So we're obviously not going to live here. Which makes total sense to me. Because I don't want to spend all this money. In this town, at least, there's like all these little water fountains, and the water is really good. You know, at the playground, it was like the best one I've had so far. And we're having it here, so it's really good. But I think Switzerland has really good water because it comes from the mountains, probably. There's a lot of paragliders around here. I don't know, but there's like a teeny tiny right there up in the sky. Nope, too far. I've been to a lot of playgrounds, as you know. So I'm pretty much a playground critic now. And so, if some playgrounds I'm like, this is perfect for older kids, this is perfect for younger kids. But Switzerland has very high rates in playgrounds for me. They have very pretty mountains. I mean, honestly, I think a lot of people come here for mountains. Or I don't know. The other day, Dad said that there was purple cows here. And I totally believed it because purple cows are cool. That means purple milk, right? Because brown cows give chocolate milk, maybe? I wonder if you ate them. No, I wonder if their meat would taste like chocolate. Anyway, but then it was actually just on a cover of some sort of milk or cheese. Ooh, but it wasn't real. Although they are some cows of different colors. You guys do know I'm just trying to keep you entertained, right? No, I'm joking. Although, I am keeping you entertained, aren't I? Yeah? Yes, you are, Emma. We love you. Thank you. Okay. And that's it. Thank you for watching Emma's version of Switzerland. I hope you like it. Subscribe. Don't forget. Emma's version of Switzerland. Dun, dun, dun.